Let's go, baby. This is for me. Hey, Pumpkin, please. Thank you.
The National Weather Service in
This is
Chicago
for me.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind course. Radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
DeKalb County
Wooddale Heights, Winfield,
for this
Madison,
one.
Carroll Stream, North Aurora, Geneva,
Where she's in Parliament,
Aurora, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, Ewing Center, West Chicago, Pennsonville, Warrenville, Elmhurst, Montgomery, Oak Brook, Lombard, Hanover Park, Villa Park, DuPage Airport, Glen Ellen, Mammoth, Batavia, and St. Charles.
Didn't see me, unfortunately,
move
but
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for North.
Hey, this one's for me.
Southern DuPage and South Central Cook counties.
This one is for me. Pumpkin was in the way,
Severe thunderstorms were located
unfortunately.
along the line
But
extending
it's
from
alright.
near Naperville to Plainville
Alright,
Patrol
gotta post this one now. 28.